breakfast, I always want something chunky and hearty with lots of fruit in it. So I thought for Frank today, I'm going to make chunky banana bran muffins. So the first thing I want to do is combine a cup of buttermilk. I always shake the container because it tends to settle. With a cup of unprocessed bran. This is like so good for you. I'm just going to let it soak together. And I'm going to make really moist, hearty bran muffins. And I'm just going to mix this together and let the buttermilk get absorbed into the bran. It just makes a really moist muffin. Lots of texture. Okay, I'm just going to put that aside while I get the rest of the muffin ready. I need 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I use light brown sugar, but if you have dark brown, it's just fine. Right into the mixer. 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to cream these together in the bowl. You can always use a hand mixer for this. Okay, while that's mixing, I'm going to get 2 eggs ready. I'm going to put it in one at a time. Just mix that in really well. A second egg, extra large eggs. If it looks curdled at this point, don't worry. It'll be fine. I'm just going to turn it down a little bit. I need 6 tablespoons of molasses, and instead of doing 6 tablespoons, 1/4 cup is 4 tablespoons. So I need 1½ of these. Molasses is really great. It gives it so much flavor. It's sweet, but it's also sort of dark and smoky at the same time. Okay, next thing I need is a teaspoon of grated orange zest. These have so much flavor because there's so many different things going on in it. And actually, you can use the orange for orange juice. Teaspoon of orange zest. Right there. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, next thing is I'm going to take the bran and buttermilk mixture and put it right in. Perfect. Okay, now for the dry ingredients. First thing I need is 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. I always do it in a sifter, just to sift it before I mix it in. 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I always use baking soda as well as baking powder when you have something acidic like buttermilk. Just sift those guys together, which also mixes them. Okay, I'm going to put them into the batter. I always do this slowly, just make sure it's just mixed in. Okay, that looks good. Perfect. Now I'm going to add lots of delicious things to it. Okay, first thing is a cup of raisins. A cup of banana, chopped banana. 1 banana. And 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. So these are sweet and crunchy and hearty and got everything in it. That's about 1/2 cup. Right in. Perfect. I'm just going to give these a little stir. Okay, I'm just going to fold that in with a spatula. You don't want to break up the bananas too much, so you want to do this with a spatula. Okay, that's good. So this is what I always use to make muffins is a standard ice cream scoop. Then they come out exactly the same, each one. Sort of overflowing a little bit. It's the perfect size. The muffins come out much more professional looking. This batter makes 10 to 12 muffins. It's perfect. Into the oven, 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes.
Wow, that smells terrific.
Perfect timing, as always. Breakfast is ready. A little omelet for you.
Yes, please.
A little potato and cheddar.
Looks wonderful.
How's that?
Thank you.
You want to help yourself to a chunky banana bran muffin?
Thank you. For you?
Yeah, I'll take one, thank you.
Great.
They smell great. I like these breakfast meetings.
I think we should have one every day.
You do? Well, we're having another one tomorrow.
great.
How's that?